Hi, I'm Leanne, and this is my review of our Suncast hose box. So I bought this about 4 years ago because our hose was lying here in a mess, and I just wanted it to look pretty. It matches my porch furniture. You can see in here, this is where the hose coils up, and you attach one end of the hose to a spout inside the wheel, and then the other end comes out of this. So it's really nice that this handle keeps you from losing the head of the hose. I'll show you the side where you would crank out the hose. So to bring the hose out of the box, all you're going to do is pull, and it glides really easily. Then when I'm ready to bring it back in, I simply turn and I'll stop right before I get to the end so I don't lose the head inside the box. But this will hold up to 225 feet worth of hose, and we just have a 30-foot hose, so we don't use nearly that much, but that serves our purposes. Honestly, the only thing I don't like about it is that we live in Florida and lizards get inside this box. So this is a Florida problem. It's not a hose box problem that I have with this, but this is a good product for me because I feel like it makes my porch look pretty and it's easy access for when I need to use my hose. I do recommend this product.